how to use YouTube like a pro. Now, there are some of the ways that you can use YouTube very easily to your benefit. Starting with one of the first ways, and that is to simply have the option to switch between full screen. So whenever most people switch to full screen, they just tap on this little icon at the bottom right of the video to come to full screen and tap on it again to come back to your home screen. But there's an easier way to access it. That is to simply swipe up to the video to go to full screen, swipe down and leave to go to the home screen or the normal window. So this is one way to do it very quickly. The other things that we can do is, let's say you're watching a certain video, you want to maybe don't have the time to watch it now, though you can add it to your watch later by tapping the three dots and tapping save to watch later, which you can find later from your profile settings from here and going to watch later. If you're playing multiple songs and you don't want to miss out that one song, you can add that song by tapping the three dots and selecting play next in queue. But of course that will require us to have premium, but if you have premium you can play that song next in the queue so as not to miss out. If you are using YouTube often and would like to limit your screen time, you can come to YouTube from the bottom right over here, go to time watched, and you can set a daily reminder to take a break, remind when it's bedtime, and so on. And these are the ways that you can use YouTube like a pro. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.